Hey video creators, let's make a video like a photo dropping as ink. Then let's get started. Here, I am creating a new composition, and these are my composition settings. I'm dragging this video into it. This is the video. I will put the link to download it in the description, so you can download it from there. I'm setting this photo to this. I downloaded this photo from Pexels. Resize the photo as you want. Move this photo layer to the below video layer. Here change the DRK matte to Luma inverted matte. Then we'll get this. Let's set a background for this. For that, create a new solid layer. I am selecting a white color. Move this layer to below all other layers. Now it looks like this. Let's add a texture effect for the background. I have already downloaded a textured background for this from Pexels. I am adding it here. There are many ways to add texture. Here I am just changing the opacity value. Here we made this. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe if you have forgotten to subscribe. Hoping to see you again like this. Bye.